Which form of aluminum is toxic? Aluminum is the third most abundant element that occurs naturally in the Earth's crust. Poisoning in human beings and animals by aluminum is rare. Among all aluminum compounds, aluminum phosphide is of major concern to animals because at low stomach pH, phosphide converts to toxic phosphine gas. Define in brief toxicity of aluminum. Toxicity of aluminum depends on its chemical form, route of exposure, and animal species. The central nervous system and skeletal system appear to be the two major target organs for aluminum toxicity. It has been known for a while that aluminum is involved in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer, encephalopathy, and amyotrophic sclerosis. Which salts of copper are poisonous? Copper, an inorganic metallic irritant, is not poisonous in metallic state, but some of its salts are poisonous. For example, copper sulfate, that is blue vitriol, and copper subacetate. Copper toxicity, also called copperitis, refers to the consequences of an excess of overuse of copper sulfate as an algicide has been speculated to have caused a copper poisoning epidemic on Great Palm Island in 1979. Which breed of animal is more susceptible to copper toxicosis? Some animals show genetic variation. For example, Bedlington Terrier breed of dog is highly susceptible to copper toxicosis due to genetic predisposition. This breed has autosomal recessive gene that cause retention of copper due to failure of excretion. What are signs and symptoms of copper deficiency? Copper deficiency is likely to occur in winter on free draining or peaty soils, especially when there has been lots of rain. Young stock is more prone to copper deficiency and shows poor growth, loss of coordination of the hind limbs, and adult cattle gets diarrhea, dehydration, jaundice, and blood in the urine. Why animals need cobalt? All ruminants require cobalt in their diet for the synthesis of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for energy metabolism and the production of red blood cells. Normally, microorganisms in the rumen are able to synthesize vitamin B12 needs of ruminants if the diet is adequate in cobalt. Cobalt deficiency in soils can cause vitamin B12 deficiency in livestock. What are the prominent post-mortem findings in arsenic poisoning? Severe gastroenteritis. What is arsenical neuritis? The victim presents with polyneuritis, optic neuritis, anesthesias, paresthesias, atrophy of extensors resulting in wrist drop, etc. Which form of arsenic is poisonous? Arsenious oxide or arsenic trioxide is poisonous. They are found in shellfish, codfish, and haddock. Sources of poisoning include soil, well water, shellfish, and arsenic compounds. Inorganic arsenicals, a byproduct of smelting or of ore containing copper, lead, and zinc, are more toxic than organic. Which is metal binding protein for cadmium? Metal binding protein for cadmium is cysteine rich and readily binds to and induces the production of metallothionein. Binding to metallothionein does not have a major effect on the uptake of cadmium but is in part responsible for retention of cadmium within cells. Metallothionein does this by decreasing cadmium elimination, especially in bile. What is Itai-Itai disease? Itai-Itai disease was the name given to the mass cadmium poisoning of Toyama Prefecture, Japan, starting around 1912. The term Itai-Itai was coined by locals for the severe pains felt in the spine and joints of victims. The disease resulted from consumption of cadmium contaminated rice. What is the mechanism of toxicity of cadmium? Cadmium is present in the circulatory system bound primarily to the metal binding protein metallothionein produced in the liver. Following glomerular filtration in the kidney, cadmium metallothionein is reabsorbed efficiently from the proximal tubule cells where it accumulates within the lysosomes. Subsequent degradation of the cadmium metallothionein complex releases cadmium plus 2, which inhibits lysosomal function, resulting in cell injury. The mechanism of chromium carcinogenicity in the lungs is believed to be its reduction to chromium plus 3 and generation of reactive intermediates, leading to bronchogenic carcinoma. What is half-life of cadmium? Half-life of cadmium is about 30 years. In arsenic poisoning, why milk is considered unfit whereas meat is passed for human consumption? Arsenic gets methylated and gets rapidly excreted through urine, milk, sweat, etc. Hence, milk is considered unfit for consumption, as arsenic tends to accumulate only in visceral organs and not in muscles. Flesh of surviving animal is considered fit for human consumption. Is arsenic cumulative in animals? No. Arsenic is rapidly detoxified and is completely eliminated in few days. In which species of animals organic arsenicals cause nervous symptoms? Swine are mostly affected. Nervous symptoms include ataxia and incoordination. Which form of arsenic is more toxic? Arsenic, trivalent arsenic, is 5 to 10 times more toxic than pentavalent, that is arsenate, due to higher solubility. Malicious poisoning is very common with which arsenic compound? Arsenic trioxide. Why arsenic can cause abortions but not nervous symptoms? Arsenic can cross placental barrier, hence can cause abortions, but in most of species it cannot cross blood-brain barrier, hence is unable to cause nervous symptoms. How is arsenic differentiated from lead poisoning? In arsenic poisoning, severe gastroenteritis and absence of nervous symptoms is observed, whereas in lead poisoning, the symptoms are just the reverse. Why arsenic tends to accumulate in keratin-rich tissues such as hairs and nails? Arsenic has high affinity for sulfhydryl groups. Since hair and nails contain sulfhydryl-rich keratin, arsenic accumulates in them. What are major target organs of three forms of mercury? Elemental mercury, the vapors target the respiratory system. Inorganic mercury mainly affects kidney and GI tract. Organic mercury mainly affects the central nervous system. Give reasons as to why mercury poisoning is not common in animals. Mercury compounds are completely replaced by better alternatives in medicinal, agricultural, and industrial use. Hence, mercury poisoning is not common in animals. Why young animals are more susceptible for mercury poisoning? Developing nervous system is more susceptible to mercury, hence young ones are more susceptible. Which form of arsenic is non-poisonous? Arsenic is a heavy metallic inorganic irritant poison. Metallic arsenic is not poisonous as it is insoluble in water and cannot be absorbed from the GI tract. What is the mode of action of arsenic? Arsenic compounds act by inactivating the sulfhydryl enzymes, which in turn interfere with the cellular metabolism in the liver, lungs, intestinal wall, and spleen. Arsenic can replace phosphorus in the bones, where it may remain for years. It also gets deposited in the hairs. What is raindrop pigmentation in arsenic poisoning? Raindrop pigmentation is known to produce milk and roses complexation followed by patchy brown pigmentation of the skin, which resembles the raindrops. It might also show hyperkeratosis of the skin of the palm and soles, which is prone to change into basal cell carcinoma at a larger stage. The scalp may also show alopecia. What is the effect of lead on bone? Lead can accumulate in bones. Why from lead affected animals is dangerous for young ones? Considerable amount of lead is excreted in milk, that is about 5% of blood concentration. Since young animals have greater capacity to absorb lead than adults, milk from lead affected animals is dangerous to young ones. While lead poisoning is more common in veterinary cases, lead is ubiquitous in nature. Most of the animals live at a closer level to soil and hence get more exposure. Further, habits like frequent digging of soil seen in dogs and cats increase exposure. Ultimately, increasing vehicular and industrial pollution is the major reason for lead toxicosis. Why acute lead poisoning is not common? Because greater than 90% of the ingested lead is eliminated from GIT without absorption. Even after absorption, only less than 1% of lead is in free form. Therefore, acute lead toxicosis is not common. Is it true that lead directly enters bone and get deposited? No. Initially, lead is distributed to various soft tissues and later gets redistributed to bone from these soft tissues. Why only whole blood is recommended for estimation of lead? Majority of lead is bound to hemoglobin in RBC. Hence, plasma or serum samples are not appropriate. Animals with depraved appetite are more commonly affected with lead poisoning. Why? In pica, animals tend to lick walls, chew on dry peelings of paint, eat wall posters, etc. Since paints are lead based, the animals are affected with lead poisoning. Even children chewing on toys painted with cheap lead paints are also reported to be affected with lead toxicosis. What is Minamata disease? Minamata disease was identified in Japan. This disease is caused due to the consumption of fish contaminated with methyl mercury. Children born during an outbreak of Minamata disease had severe mental problems. Which metal have kidney as the target organ? Cadmium, inorganic mercury compounds which are more water soluble, organic lead compounds. Which metal have nervous system as the target organ? The nervous system is the target organ for organic metal compounds such as methyl mercury because it is lipid soluble, readily crosses the blood brain barrier and enters the nervous system. Name two metals which are known to have endocrine and reproductive effects. Cadmium is known to produce testicular injury after acute exposure. Lead accumulation in the testes is associated with testicular degeneration, inhibition of spermatogenesis, and Leydig cell atrophy. What is Burtonian line? The Burton line or Burtonian line is a clinical sign found in patients with chronic lead poisoning. It is a stippled blue line seen at the junction of the gums, usually nearer to tooth caries, especially in the upper jaw. This is due to deposition of lead sulfide formed by the action of the combination of lead with hydrogen sulfide, which had evolved from the decomposed food debris in the caries tooth. Define the effect of lead on blood. Lead causes hypochromic microcytic anemia with reticulocytosis and punctuate basophilia. Lead can combine with sulfhydryl enzymes and can decrease the synthesis of heme, leading to anemia, and can bring about hemolysis as well as release immature RBCs into circulation. Platelet count decreases. Anemia is probably due to decreased survival time of RBCs and inhibition of heme synthesis by interference with the incorporation of iron into protoporphyrin. Metals are elements that form cations when compounds of it are in solution, and oxides of the elements from hydroxides rather than acids in water. Micronutrient is a chemical element or substance required in trace amounts for the normal growth and development of living organisms. Young children or elderly people are more susceptible to toxicity from exposure to a particular level of metal or micronutrient than most adults. Metals that provoke immune reaction include mercury, gold, platinum, beryllium, chromium, and nickel. Complexation is the formation of a metal ion complex in which the metal ion is associated with a charged or uncharged electron donor, referred to as ligand chelation. Okay. Chelation occurs when bidentate ligand form ringed structure that include the metal ion and the two ligand atoms attached to the metal. Metal protein interactions include binding to numerous enzymes, the metallothioneins, non-specific binding to proteins such as serum albumin or hemoglobin, and specific metal carrier proteins involved in the membrane transport of metals. Arsenic. Certain chromium compounds and nickel are known human carcinogens. Beryllium, cadmium, and cisplatin are probable human carcinogens. Metals lose electrons easily and they often corrode easily. The oxides of metal tend to be basic, but the oxides of non-metals tend to be acidic. Non-metals show more variability in their properties than do metals. Non-metals, if solid, generally have a submetallic or dull appearance and are brittle, as opposed to metals, which are lustrous, ductile, or malleable. Exposure to non-metals act as irritant poisons and produce inflammation on the site of contact, especially in the GI tract, respiratory tract, and the skin. Selenium, a non-metal, is sometimes classified instead as a metalloid.